it's Kelly, and I'm back with another layout. This is a photo of my two grandsons, and this is on the night after my granddaughter was born. They were up very late the night before, and so when Grandpa brought them home, she was born like at 11 something, 11 something in the evening. And then when he brought them back the next day and then took them home, they were just tuckered out, which is going to be the name of this. And they both fell asleep almost immediately in their little playroom. They were watching a little movie to kind of settle down. So I'm mounting that on that blue polka dot paper, and that is from Creative Memories. And then I have that little Dream 4x4 cut apart there, and that's from the Chamel Starshine collection. It's the 12 by 12 pad there, but it's from the cut apart sheet. And I'm going to mount that blue polka dot paper on the gray chevron paper there, and that's from Studio Calico. It's the Snippets paper, Snippets collection, the Any Who paper. Then I've put that aside temporarily because I'm going to mount this like little blue crosshatch paper. That's the Chamel Little by Little collection. It's the Think Big paper. And I'm mounting it on this embossed cardstock. It has raised circles that almost look like Legos, which is great for these two little boys. And that is Recollections, and it's the embossed cardstock from Michaels. Then I am also going to use these two stickers from Starshine, and they are clear stickers, but I'm mounting them so that you can kind of see them. So those are from the accent stickers from Starshine. All right, and then I'm going to take this little border piece, and that came from the Chamel Box of Crayons collection, and the paper was the New Thought paper. That's the border strip from that. I just happened to have it sitting on my desk because I had used it a little bit before, and I decided to put it on this. And again, this is the last video you'll see where the shaking is happening, because I'm back to my desk after that. Or I know better. All right, so I'm mounting that paper down now to everything here, and I'll just cut off that on the back. And what I did there is I'm using a Cheeky Studio sketch from the November 2018 kit. So I didn't spend a lot of time there because it is paid content, but that's where this sketch came from, and I actually rotated it a quarter turn. Okay, I just added that, yep, I'm going back to bed, which isn't completely the story, but close enough, and that came from the Chamel True Stories collection, the ephemera. And then I have these two 1-inch square stickers, and that's from the Box of Crayons, the sticker folder there. And there's a camera, and then a little sticker there that says Dream. I'm going to play around a little bit about where these end up. I'm kind of playing again with some more of those stickers to see what I can find. I'm going back to the 1-inch squares, and I find this cat. Now really that cat has nothing to do with this story at all, but he's cute, and so are the boys, and the colors match, so I'm putting it on. I'm taking my Memento Dewdrop ink in the gray flannel there, and I'm going to ink all of these edges just to give everything some definition. I'm using a lot of different lines or collections with even the same manufacturer. I just flipped those two stickers on the bottom so that the navy was on the outside because it has a little bit more weight than the white does. And I wanted it to kind of be a diagonal and end at that outside there so it stopped your eye. So that's why I'm doing that. And I'm going to leave the camera up there by the going back to bed. Now before I finish, before I put those two stickers on the bottom down permanently, what I'm doing here is I'm going through these alphas to see if I can actually make the title that I want to make, which is Tuckered Out, because I like these blue alphas, this blue alpha here. It's from Pink Fresh Studio, the Indigo Hills collection, and it's the puffy alphas. And that's the first Indigo Hills collection, because I think there's a new one out now. Okay, got that done, and now I'm just going to use my wax paper here to get it down again so that I have kind of an idea. And I didn't have an E and I didn't have an R, so I'm going to MacGyver a B into an E, which is really easy. And I'll have to find a leg for that R. So see, I just kind of, it helps me decide like where I want everything to be mounted here by using that paper there. And I started with the O. And what I did is I pulled those stickers off, and now I'm going to just use my ruler here to make sure that I get it all on a straight line. It's a fairly, the title itself isn't long, but I used such a large alpha that it is making it quite long. And all I really need to do is get the D started, and after that this will be easier. And once I get the D started, that is. And then I'm going to just spell it backwards from there to make sure that all the spacing ends up properly. Letters, I had a lot of trouble with that title, but it is done now. Okay, now I'm MacGyvering that R, and what I did is I cut the leg off of, and it was an X or a K, I don't remember which. And that's just making the edge of the, or that leg on the R there. Okay, so I have that done. Now I need to do the gray ink there again on all the other pieces. Okay, and then I don't think I cut that paper straight. I'm just looking at it now. It's not straight, the blue polka dot paper, but oh well. The layout is done and I'm not changing it. It's too late. So I'm living dangerously and inking while it's attached to the back of the layout, which it worked out just fine in the end. It doesn't always, but that's okay too. All right, so now I can get these two stickers down, and I had moved them so much that they were not sticking as well. Now I'm going through and I am looking at these puffy hearts from the Go Now Go collection. I'm just going to select a couple, so 2 for each of the clusters there. The other thing I want to tell you, because I did not do this on camera, is that I forgot I had an acrylic piece that I wanted to put on this that I didn't find until I was cleaning it up, and I put it up next to the top red camera up there, so take a look at that. It came from the Chamel Starshine collection, the ephemera from that. And then I'm also going to add in some enamel dots here from the, so the puffy stickers, the hearts are from the Go Now Go puffy stickers, and then the enamel dots are from the Chamel Glitter Girl Mixed Embellishment Pack. So I'm just using up some of those pieces there. It's time some of these embellishments are out of my stash. Okay guys, that is the layout. Here's a still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye!